ISE5603 Enterprise Knowledge Portal. It is a core subject, and still many students take it every year. Now, this subject talks about collaboration tools and also the design, deployment, and governance of enterprise portals, as well as how to solicit requirements from users and so forth. I've got two graduates who have taken this subject, Tommy Yim and KF. I'd like to ask them and share their experiences on, firstly, what are some of the very useful things that you have picked up from this subject?
Most valuable thing I learned from the subject is KM system is a journey, it's not a project. So in the design phase, we should think more about on matrix, on how to governance after the portal is deployed. Otherwise, we only treat the portal as tools.
In knowledge management, there are actually four important aspects, which is people, process, technology, and content. And in an organization, the KM system or the knowledge portal forms a very important part or as a very important tools for knowledge sharing inside an organization. In this course, I learned about what is content management, and I understand why it is so important in order that people in an organization can share their knowledge. And after the course, I found that the knowledge portal is important, but not because of technology. More important is actually the governance and how to make people really use this as tools in an organization. This is even much more difficult.
Thank you, very well. Now, we all remember, I hope they remember, that there is a group project in this subject as well. So I'm interested to know from them, what were some of the things that they have done in that project, and obviously the things that they've learned from that group project as well.
Regarding the group project, our team decided to create a KM alumni portal. We tried to make the project be more real. So we decided to first we create a questionnaire and distribute to all the alumni so that they can contribute to our project. And we got a better tools to analyze what are the alumni needs in order for us to design the portal. And after we collect the alumni's requirement, we actually do the prototype of the alumni portal. So it makes the project more realistic and more interesting.
The group project is very, very interesting. We went through the whole process of designing a KM system for an organization. We went through consideration of what is needed, what is useful to the organization and the individuals. We actually created the mock-up prototypes of the system, and it was really interesting and challenging.
Thank you. Nice sharing from both of you. And finally, I'd like to ask, now that you've learned about the topic enterprise portals, coming back to the workplace, do you see that one day that your organization will actually embark on this journey of setting up collaboration tools and enterprise knowledge portal? I think many people would be interested in your answer.
For my company, currently, we only have an intranet for us to retain the knowledge. And I possibly think that the portal will be a right direction in the future, because portal can have a proper way to generate more interaction and collaboration in order to facilitate better decision making and knowledge retention.
Well, after the course, I have an ambition. I am working on building my own KM system based on some open source technology. I think it is very useful for organizations to use a knowledge portal, but the challenge is they are actually can be very expensive. If I can build a KM system that will help the small organization, SME, that they can use this kind of system at a very low cost. So this is what I'm getting to. And by doing that, this is actually a very good learning process for myself as well. Thank you.
Once again, thank you very much, and I appreciate very much on behalf of the program. We thank you for coming in and record these sharings for us. Thank you.